Okay, so let's talk about matrices multiplication. First of all, the dimensions are important. This matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, so its dimensions are 2 by 3. This matrix has 3 rows and 2 columns, so its dimensions are 3 by 2. These two inner dimensions should be equal if we want to multiply these matrices. Not every 2 matrices can be multiplied, as we will soon see. And the external dimensions, they determine the dimensions of the result. So I can already know that the result is going to have dimensions 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. So my result will be a matrix, will be this matrix, 2 by 2 matrix. The first, this item, this element is in the first row and first column. So I can call it A11. This element is in the first row, second column, A12. This element is in the second row, first column. So second row, first column, second row, second column. So the first dimension is the rows and is the row I'm in, and the second dimension is the column which I'm in. Now, what will be, how do I do the multiplication? So to get A11, let's do A11 using red. I will multiply this row with this column. What do I mean by saying multiply this row by this column? Element-wise. So A11 will be 1 times 1 plus 2 times 0 plus minus 1 times 2, which is 1 minus 2, minus 1. So A11 of my result is minus 1. What about, let's multiply now the first row with the second column of this matrix. This will determine element A12, first row, second column, A12. Let's multiply. So A12 will be 1 times 2 plus 2 times 3 plus minus 1 times minus 1, which is what? So 2 plus 1, it's 3, plus 6, it's 9. This element is 9. Let's go now for the second row with the first column. So second row, first column. And we will get A21, A21. A21 will be equal to 0 times 1 plus 1 times 0 plus minus 3 times 2, which is minus 6. So this element is minus 6. What about, I hope you can see the yellow pen. What about A? So let's now multiply the second row with the second column here. So that will give me A22, which is 0 times 2 plus 1 times 3 plus minus 3 times minus 1, which is 3 plus 3. This is 6. So my answer is this multiplication equals the matrix minus 1, 9, minus 6,